Geminis, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of October 2021. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And if this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Okay, so let's see what's there for my Geminis for the month of October 2021. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Alright. Geminis 2021 October. Geminis, please. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Hermit energy. Okay, so Gemini, so this time can be a time of peace, a time of determination, a time of analyzing some things in your life. It can be some lessons which you need to hear and then you need to learn. Okay, so some messages which you need to hear from the universe and you need to learn your lessons, whatever might have happened with you in the past. So this is the learning time and you are going through that process, because from within you really need that time. So you are behaving like a Virgo. You can be dealing with a Virgo as well, but yeah, strong Virgo energies are coming up. So this can be your Hermit energy, your healing time. You're not not being like a social person right now. You really want some healing and you are actually giving yourself a lot of time for that healing energies which are coming up. In the past we have the Star in reverse, the Eight of Wands in reverse and Seven of Wands in reverse. So in the past it was like, what I'm feeling is you might be going through a process where you actually needed healing in the past only. Okay, so the process, the healing from which you are going right now, you actually needed in the past, because the things happened in the past. You lost hope in some kind of a situation. It could be it can be anything, like a communication with your person with whom you really want to live your life, or you want to be with a person you really love the most, but there was no communication at all. There was no such situation like that, like you are really able to connect with your person, with anyone around you. Okay, so you have lost all the hopes. This could be a situation as well where you actually wanted to cope up with that situation, but somehow you just lost all your hopes because of some kind of negative energies which might have came towards you and you lost that hope. In the present we have Ace of Wands in reverse, Two of Pentacles in reverse and Eight of Cups. So yeah, it's like it could be a lack of energy which you are feeling right now. So that is the reason you do not want to start something new. You are stuck with the present, or you are stuck with your old plans. You are stuck with a person only because you are not ready to move forward for anything, and basically you are prioritizing your own interests at this time, which is coming in the present. In the future we have Ace of Swords, Justice and Chariot in reverse. So it could be because of the healing, it could be a clarity of mind which can be coming towards you in the month of October only. So this can be something, a realization, self-realization we can say. It can be taking things slow, one thing at a time. It can be that realization as well. We are going to explain what exactly these cards are actually telling us. Okay, so let's clarify now for my Geminis. Tell me more about the Hermit in the aura energy for my Geminis, please. Four of Wands, Seven of Swords in reverse, and the Devil in reverse. Okay, so this could be a very bad marriage from which you might have come through, because it was something which was related with love, a pure love from your side, at least, of course, because there was a bonding which you always had with this person or the situation. You were really connected to this thing, and it was really hard for you to let go of that thing, but you released it and you're releasing it. Okay, so you are in the process of releasing this energy. It could be anything, it could be any negative energy which you are going through. But the best part in your reading is, since it's your overall energy, it's like you do not want this anymore. You know that you do not want this anymore, and you just want to release yourself from all the negativities around you. Tell me more about the Seven of Wands in reverse in the past. Temperance, Seven of Wands, and the Hierophant. Yeah, there could be a marriage, as I already told you, which actually came into rest, into peace. You both were standing firm for yourself, and since there was no communication, so you couldn't take a stand of yourself. It's actually pretty, I don't know whether it's happening with you or not, but there are two people, there's a scenario, there's a situation in which you really wanted to communicate, or somebody wanted to communicate, somebody wanted a communication here, but it couldn't happen because of the firm and steady ground which both of you are having, or the situation is having. It's like, I am right. It's like, it's my rules. I am stick with the solutions which has been given up from the decades. It's like, the ethics kind of thing. So it has now come up in my ethics, and if I do not want this to happen, I will not let this thing to happen to me or to anyone around me. So this is more of a very egoistic situation which you might have gone through, and because of that, it was like, it's of no use anymore to stick with this person or the situation for more longer time. Okay, tell me more about the Star in reverse in the past for my Geminis. The Fool, Six of Cups, and the Empress. Okay, so this could be a person from the past, a person from the childhood. It could be like a strong relationship. You could have been involved with this person, like, you could have been in a breakup, or you could have been in a break for some time, and then you patched up, and after that you saw that there is no change, and because of that no change, it's really hard for you to just accept this person just like that, because they were exactly the same when they left you, and because after that pause also they are just the same. It could also involve one more person in your reading. I mean the third party, because no communication can be because of this third party, and when the third party has come, it's a problem with you now. For some of you only, it's a problem with you, and you are not able to cope up with that. Tell me more about the Two of Pentacles in reverse in the present energies. King of Swords, Two of Wands, and the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. I don't see you actually working in this situation anymore. You also have made a really firm decision, and you really chose to move out from this now. You do not choose to stick in the same situation and keep on lingering and keep on waiting for the other person to contact you or talk to you or make things right for you. No, you are not waiting for this person anymore. Although there is a strong energy of you being able to take a decision. Sometimes Eight of Cups is not only about leaving a person, like it can be leaving a situation, it can be Prioritizing, when we prioritize ourselves, it could be like you might be moving abroad, you might be moving to some other city, some other state, because you have chosen to give yourself more time, and that is the reason you want exposure, and you are really wanting to go away from this thing now. So there's physical movement also in the month of October, in the coming month, which, or you might be going through this thing already at present. So October month, I see traveling also for some of you. Wow. Okay. Let's see what is there. What else is there for my Geminis? Tell me more about the justice energy in the future, please. Ace of Wands in reverse, Ten of Swords, and the Nine of Pentacles. I see you independent, a beautiful independent woman, or we can say an independent man who has seen a lot of betrayals, and because of these betrayals, when we choose to get up again, it's really hard. First of all, it's really hard that to just again to get up all of a sudden after the betrayal, the deception, the trickery which might be happening around you, but it makes you feel strong. Okay, so that is the reason. You could be not, you could have not planned this journey which you are actually going to see in the coming month of October, November. So this is not only for October. I see the future, it's more like a further future, but yes, it's like you are choosing a path to make your mind clear. You might be going into some yoga or meditation class for some of you, and you really want some clarity in your mind because you want some answers from within. And to find those answers, you need to make sure that your mind, your heart, everything is clear out. So yeah, tell me more about the Chariot in reverse. Nine of Cups in reverse, Five of Cups in reverse, and Seven of Cups in reverse. For many of you, you are actually becoming a very calm kind of a person, Gemini. The regrets, the materialistic things, they do not make you happy anymore. Somewhere you feel grateful when you are happy within. So yeah, in the month of October, it's actually visible that you might get to know that there is a very beautiful world behind all these materialistic things. So yeah, there is realization, self-realization is there, honestly. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Geminis. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.